Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Yes, we have done question 5 of 4D.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to start with question 6. 6, I think I gave you
Yes, sir.
to do yourself. बोलो क्या शायद मैंने. Okay, let's do 7th. 6 and 7 both are same.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, your voice is something changed.
it is changed. I don't know. Maybe
Yes, sir. Small,
is it
small bit.
again? It is again sounding like a robot?
No, sir, not right.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what is the? It has become a bit harsh or soft.
No, sir.
Sir, soft.
Soft.
So soft.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that
Soft.
means I'm sounding like a girl.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no.
No, sir. So you like sounding like a boy only, but a soft voice.
Yes, sir. Your voice is something changed from the other day.
Maybe I was. It is maybe because I was doing my exercises. So maybe because of that.
Yes, sir.
चलो हो सकता है थोड़ी देर में चेंज हो जाएगी. I will get my original voice back. Question number 7. The sum of two rational numbers is -3
Sir,
if one of them
back.
is. Okay, it's back.
Yes, sir.
So I think it was because of
Your
the
voice is back.
Sir, not totally.
not totally. चलो कोई बात नहीं. The
Sir,
sum
as
of
you're speaking somewhat louder, then it is coming okay, and when you are speaking
अच्छा.
a little bit low, then it is looking like okay and soft.
Okay. चलो. So yeah, the sum of two rational numbers is -3. Okay, again the same type of question. One of the numbers is given, the other you have to find out. So let the other number be x, या फिर आप लिख सकते हैं let the missing number be x, कुछ भी लिख लो. Let the missing number be x. So one of the number is given -15/7. दूसरा नंबर हमने x मान लिया. इन दोनों नंबर्स का सम is given equal to -3. The sum is -3. This is the equation. So now when you take this negative number to RHS, -15/7 is a negative number. Okay. So when you take this to RHS, it becomes positive. -3 plus 15/7. Positive हो जाएगा. Okay. So x equal to, now you can take the LCM. LCM is 7. So -21 plus 15. X equal to -6/7. Answer. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, in yesterday's computer class, ma'am showed a video about the tables, decimal number system. The person that was speaking just sounded like you.
अच्छा, the person
Yes.
sounded like me. मेरा ही वीडियो तो नहीं दिखा दिया मैम ने कहीं.
Yes, sir. I said this to ma'am that the person is voice is looking like Rasif, sir.
Okay, so Shalini ma'am, it was
No, sir, the
Shalini.
accent was somewhat like American.
Accent was American.
Yes.
And the voice was like me.
Yes,
and
sir.
and it was in Shalini ma'am's period.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It was her period.
So what did Shalini ma'am say?
Shalini ma'am laughed.
She started laughing. Very good.
Yes,
No, sir,
ma'am.
she laughed like haha, and then she started the video.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell Shalini ma'am that I respect her a lot. Whenever you have your next class with Shalini ma'am, tell her that Rasik sir has sent her a namaste, and he was saying that he respects her a lot. Pass this message. Okay. And tell this to Palak ma'am also. Same thing.
So, can you please repeat?
Tell them that Rasik sir was doing namaste, and he said that he respects Palak ma'am a lot and Shalini ma'am both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
hope you will remember to pass on my message.
So when we have our period with Palak ma'am, so we can tell.
When do you have your next period with Palak ma'am?
So Palak ma'am is on Wednesday and Shalini ma'am is on
अरे अभी तो
Wednesday.
बहुत days हैं इनको. Almost a week.
Sir, yesterday was only
So
their
we can
period.
message.
चलो कोई नहीं.
Sir,
Next,
on Tuesday you can
not on WhatsApp.
us.
Pass this message out during the class only, and then you tell me
Okay,
their
sir. So
reaction.
we will write so we will write the message on computer in English school. Whenever we will read it, and we will just tell the ma'am.
So, and
So
tell me
you
their
can
reaction.
remind us on Tuesday.
And tell me their reaction after you tell them. Okay. Okay. Question 9. Question 8 is again of the same type. You try it in homework. Question 8. What should be added to -3? अरे यार फिर से.
So
What
you
should be
can
added?
check
Let
her
x should be.
reaction by recording.
Ah, good idea. Let x should be added. So question 9, all of you please read the question. What should be added? Let x should be added. Okay. So -3/8 plus x. इसमें क्या ऐड करना है? इसमें x ऐड करना है. To get what? It is given in the question. If we add x in this -3/8, we get 5/12.
5.12.
Okay, so this is the equation. Any doubt in the equation?
No, sir.
Next
No,
question,
sir.
I will be asking you
No,
to
sir.
form the equation yourself. Okay, I will ask you what is the equation. In the next question, you will tell me. Okay, abhi nahi, baad mein. So -3/8, this is negative. When you take it to the RHS, it becomes positive. 5/12 plus 3/8. Okay, so now you just simplify 12 plus 8. Sorry, LCM of 12 and 8, 24. 10 plus 9. X equals to 19/24. Okay. Tell me the equation in question 10. मैं एक बच्चे से पूछूंगा वही बताया. ठीक है, आप लोग पढ़ लो क्वेश्चन को, इक्वेशन बना लीजिए.
So what?
Question 10. Form the equation. I will ask any one of you to tell me what is the equation. Okay.
So we can show our copy.
Yes, I will ask you to show your copy. Write the equation in your copy. Okay, and I will ask you to show your copy. Orally भी पूछ सकते हैं वैसे, no problem.
Sir, only question.
Equation
Excuse me, sir.
of this question. Question 10 की equation आपको मुझे बतानी है. This is known as equation. ये जो मैंने बनाया है यहाँ पर question 9 में. This is the equation of question 9. Similarly, you have to tell me what will be the equation of question 10. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat because I got disconnected?
I'm saying that जैसे मैंने question 9 में equation बनाई है, सेम इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन 10 की इक्वेशन you all will tell me what is the equation of question 10. Okay, I will ask you to any one of you I will ask to show me the equation and you will show it on the screen with the help of your copy. Write it in your copy.
Sir, done.
Beta, the rest of the students, why you all have kept your cameras off? Please start your videos. Don't keep them off.
So because of network problem, as it was raining yesterday.
Okay. Today also it is raining.
Yes, sir.
Right now it stopped, or it is just like small.
Hmm. Yes. All of you, are you all ready with the equation?
Yes, sir.
Are you all ready?
Sir, just a second.
The strength of your class has gone down a little bit. Earlier,
So yesterday
Sir,
it was 20.
now there are only 15 students.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
So just solving.
Okay. So Hania will show her answer right from Saturn. She is going to show the answer to the people living on Earth. Yes, Hania. Show your copy from Saturn. We will be able to see. We have a very long vision. Hania, are you showing? Straight from Saturn. Hania's
Saturn
copy.
is having red color.
Hania's copy is coming to Earth. Yes, your visual is about to come. Let me see just a minute. Hania, beta, are you showing your copy?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, can you tell the equation orally, Hania? अच्छा, you are showing, no problem. ठीक है. Just solve भी कर दिया. Hania is very advanced.
I am also the solving, sir, when I have done it.
अरे वाह, very good. You people are very advanced. You all are super. You have superpowers. बेटा हानिया प्लीज शो दिखाओ. मैंने नहीं देख पाया, मैं एक बार और दिखाओ हानिया. Let me read the question. What should be added to -12 upon 5? एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. अरे एक मिनट, अरे कॉपी हिल रही है बेटा, थोड़ा कैमरा स्टिल करो. This is which question, Hania? Question 9 है ये तो. Question 9.
Yes, sir. It's 9.
Can you show me
Sir,
the
can I show?
Can you show me the equation of question 10, Hania?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, who else has done it? Sarah has done it. Sarah will show. Sarah beta दिखाओ. Made the equation. Okay, minus what should be added to? Minus 12 upon 5 plus x equal to 3. Excellent. बिल्कुल सही है equation. And you have also solved it. So 3 plus 12 upon 5. LCM 15. Minus नहीं बेटा, बीच में plus है देखो. You have बीच में आपने 15 minus 12 कर दिया. उसको सही कर लेना. 15 plus 12. So answer will be 27 upon 5. Okay. Otherwise it is correct.
Can I show?
I'll just forget.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I show?
Yes.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, can I show?
Yes, Zara, please. Okay, all of you show together. All of you, please. Everyone show
Okay.
your
So
copy.
just a second, please.
I will see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please.
हाँ,
Sir,
yes,
here
sir.
it is.
Yeah, 10 questions.
Question 10. Yes, just a minute. Faridhi,
Yes,
I
sir.
have seen yours. Very good. Faridhi की मैंने देख ली. Very
Sir,
good.
please show.
Okay, Zahra.
Sir, please see my.
Zara, your equation is also correct. Very good. Zara, now you can solve it. Okay. Vrinda, your equation is also correct. Very good. Show me the answer, Vrinda, in the last. Yes, correct. Very good. Beta, just a minute. I'm seeing everyone's copy. Just a minute.
Sir, mine?
Have you checked mine?
Nishu. Yes, Vrinda, I have checked yours. Very good.
Check mine.
Okay, Nishu, your equation is also correct. Very good, beta. Nishu, now you will get a prize. Nishu is going to get a prize. Every one of you will get a prize from me. I will give you a very good prize.
You check mine?
Sir, please check mine.
Sania, now I'm seeing yours. Sania. Very good, beta. Sania, yours is also correct. Totally correct. Very good. Okay. Hania is showing. Hania and Sania. सानिया एंड हानिया। बेटा आप लोगों ने क्या खुद डिसाइड किया था अपना नाम कि तुम सानिया रखना, मैं हानिया रखूंगी अपना नाम?
सर।
नहीं, खुद डिसाइड नहीं किया था। Do you both know each other, Hania and Sania?
Sir, please see mine.
Yes, Kibla. Very good. Kibla.
Sir, please.
Very
Sir,
good.
done with the equation.
Kibla एक बार कुछ बोलना। I lost your video, Kibla. Very good, Zahra.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Please see mine.
You speak, your video will come. Yes, Sarah, very good. I have seen yours, Sarah.
Sir, everything mine.
Yes, Kibla, I have seen yours. Very good. Excellent. बिल्कुल सही है. Okay, so may I announce the prize now? All of you, क्या मिलेगा आपको?
Yes, sir.
You
So we all are excited.
Sir, you can give certificate?
You will get a grand prize. Grand prize. ऐसे छोटे मोटे प्राइज नहीं देता हूँ मैं, सर्टिफिकेट हो गया, मैं कुछ बड़ा प्राइज देता हूँ।
Sir, free period?
नहीं, अरे फ्री पीरियड
Yes, sir, you can show the answer.
Do you all, first of all, do you tell me that do you like iPhone? Do you all like iPhone?
Yes, sir.
You like iPhone? So do you all what is the latest model of iPhone? Is it iPhone 12?
Yes, sir, Pro Max.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, you are
iPhone
not saying in real.
12.
So there are 14 children, not only one.
No problem.
Yes, sir, you are saying.
You can send the
You
emoji.
are not saying trust.
Yes.
It is not
Sir,
a
you
problem
can
for
send
me.
the pictures.
मैं
Yes,
ऐसे
sir, I will
नहीं,
Send
मैं
the picture
online
and the
नहीं,
emoji.
मैं ऐसे
Yes, sir.
ऐसे गिफ्ट्स नहीं देता हूँ। मैं जो वर्चुअल गिफ्ट देता हूँ, मैं रियल में गिफ्ट देता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं देता हूँ। So do you it is the iPhone 12 is the latest version, am I right? iPhone 12 is the latest or
Yes,
iPhone
sir.
11? 12.
Sir,
Sir, there are
iPhone
15 students are there.
iPhone
We
12.
all
Pro
No,
Max.
there is no problem
iPhone-
for me. iPhone 12 Pro Max. You all get a iPhone 12 Pro Max box from me.
So today's right dream.
iPhone
box
12.
of-
A box
Sir,
of
only box?
The
Yes,
only
Sir,
box.
just
sir,
a box.
Only-
Sir, we
Sir,
want
just a box, not
reality.
iPhone.
only a box.
Yes,
No,
iPhone,
sir.
like that.
iPhone 12 Pro Max box from me. You all get a box. iPhone 12. Arey, are you not excited? You all are not happy? I have
No,
given you
sir.
such a
Yes,
grand
sir, we
prize.
are really happy.
So you can give us
But
a
you will give
charger and
certificate.
Pick up the phone. We are
Show me
just
your
giving, you are
faces.
just giving
Start your
the.
videos. Start your videos first of all, everyone. And I want to see your faces when I announce the prize. You
Sir,
each have to see.
sir, certificate is much better than the iPhone.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
iPhone
Sir,
12 Pro
12
Max
box.
box.
Much better than iPhone
Yes, sir.
box.
बताओ, इतना बड़ा मैंने प्राइस दिया, बच्चे बिल्कुल खुश नहीं है, ये तो गलत
So
बात
it is just a box.
Please show now.
What we will do of that box?
Sir, if you will give before the answer,
बेटा,
sir, we can
मैं-
make the integer board with that.
आप लोगों को क्या लगता है मैं इतना, मतलब मेरी तो सैलरी भी नहीं है इतनी कि मैं एक आईफोन खरीद पाऊँ। तो मैं खुद के लिए आज तक आईफोन खरीद नहीं पाया हूँ इतनी सैलरी में, गरीब आदमी हूँ मैं. I get only 800 rupees per month. So how can I buy an iPhone? Although I can arrange for some boxes. एक मेरा friend है, he works at a shop, so I can arrange some boxes of iPhone 12. नहीं, मैं मजाक कर
So
रहा हूँ.
you can give a bit in apple also
I
inside
am
the box.
joking, बेटा. Don't take me seriously. I was just joking. Okay. मैं आप लोगों को सच में गिफ्ट दूंगा. You all will get a pen from me. ठीक है?
Sir, please listen to me.
Yes.
Okay,
I have
sir.
done question number 11. Can I show you?
Yes, please. Question 11 भी कर लिया? अरे मगर. हाँ, yes. Start your video and show.
You all are talking, then I'm doing this.
You are doing a question. Wow. What should be added to this? Okay, minus 2.5 minus 5 upon 7 plus ये बेटा RHS में जाके पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. माइनस बेटा ये minus 5 upon 7 जो है when you take it to RHS it will become positive. Plus 5 upon 7 हो जाएगा, उसको सही करो. Plus 5 upon 7 when you take it to RHS it will become plus 5 upon 7. Okay, and then answer will be 1 upon, क्या था आंसर? वो आंसर ठीक है आपका.
1 upon.
Okay, everyone.
So why we say negative to minus and positive to plus?
Why do we call it as minus, negative number as minus?
Yes, sir.
Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है n जो वर्ड है उससे थोड़ी नेगेटिविटी आती है. Maybe because of that. Not, no, never, सारे ये जो नेगेटिव वर्ड्स हैं वो सारे n से स्टार्ट होते हैं. Am I right?
Yes,
So मेरा
yes,
नाम भी
sir.
L से स्टार्ट होता है.
कौन है बेटा? n निशु.
Yes, sir.
मेरी सिस्टर का नाम भी n से स्टार्ट होता है, वो भी बहुत नेगेटिव है.
सर पर कभी भी
Sir, but Nishu is not
Even-
नेगेटिव
negative.
वर्ड्स में
Even-
आई नहीं आता है.
हाँ, सॉरी,
सर
नेगेटिव वर्ड्स
कभी आई नहीं आता.
आई नहीं
Yes,
आता.
sir.
मतलब किसमें, किस चीज
सर
में?
अगर नॉट है तो सर उसमें आई नहीं आएगा. सर NOT होगा ना.
लेकिन नथिंग में तो आई
हाँ.
आएगा. नथिंग, NOTHING.
सर ये तो निगेटिव थोड़ी ना हुआ. ये तो हम लोगों ने किसी चीज को
नेगेटिव में भी आता है.
should be, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
NEGATI.
इस बारे में हम फिर कभी डिस्कशन करेंगे. What should be added to minus 5 upon 7? So let x should be added again. Let x should be added. Beta Nishu, don't take it otherwise. I was just joking. You are very positive.
So I know. Sir, I'm not that screw.
You are a very positive and bright student, Nishu. You are proving that n is not always negative. Sometimes n is positive also. You are the example. Minus 5 upon 7 में क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? We should add x to get what? Minus 2 upon 3. We get minus 2 upon 3. So now when you take this a negative number, when you take it to RHS, minus 5 upon 7 को हम यहाँ से यहाँ RHS में लेके जाएंगे. So when you take it to RHS, it was negative originally. And when you take it to RHS, it will become positive. It becomes plus 5 upon 7. Do you all get it or not? नेगेटिव नंबर RHS में जाके पॉजिटिव
Yes.
बन जाता है एंड पॉजिटिव नंबर RHS में जाके नेगेटिव बन जाता है. ओके, सो दिस बिकम्स पॉजिटिव. Now you can take the LCM. 21 is the LCM. Minus 14 plus 15. X equal to 1 upon 21.
So the answer is 1.21.
Yes.
Sir, can it be possible to do this answer without LCM?
Without LCM. Without LCM, actually LCM की जो जरूरत है वो हमको इसलिए to make the numbers, first of all to make the numbers as like rational numbers. तो like rational numbers बनाने के लिए आपको LCM चाहिए ही. Without LCM अगर नहीं भी होगा तो मतलब LCM का कोई मल्टीपल होगा. अगर LCM नहीं होगा तो LCM का कोई मल्टीपल होगा. Otherwise you cannot do it. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay, very
So
good.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
So can we do 12th one?
So which question is
Why?
to be done in the notebook now?
Okay, now 12th is your homework. You all will try 13th.
Okay,
Easy है, easy है 13th. Try करना. What should be added to this to get
Sir?
1? Yes.
Sir, I have done question number 12. Now
12
can I
कर
show
लिया.
you that that was correct or wrong?
Okay, just a minute, beta. Let me think. My next period is in 8th B. 1 minute रुको. Yes, Sania, you can show. Are you showing it? Your video is not there.
Yes, sir, she is fine.
Sania, I can't see your video.
Sir, my video is open.
Okay, दिख गया.
so her video is open, but so network is not coming.
Yes, maybe because of network.
Sir, now you can see.
Yes, I can see it.
So now it was correct.
Beta, Sania, again, when you are taking 2/9 to RHS, you are not converting the sign. 2/9 को जब आप RHS में ले जाएंगे तो उसको माइनस में कर देंगे. पहले वो LHS में पॉजिटिव था, so when it goes to RHS, it will become positive. Okay.
Sir, sir, I have do opposite of only in previous one. I have do only number wise, and now when I was doing this, then I don't write 2/9 first. I have write -1/1, then minus plus 2.
Can you show again? -1/1 minus 2/9. It should be minus 2/9.
Because I don't write 2/9 first. I write this after.
नहीं बेटा, सानिया उसको सही करो. It should be -1/1 minus 2/9.
Sir, I write this only.
बेटा
-1/1 plus 2/9.
बेटा प्लस नहीं,
और
मैं
it is
बीच
true.
में माइनस कह रहा हूँ. बीच में आपने प्लस लगाया है, उस प्लस की जगह माइनस आएगा.
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought that -1 you have said
नहीं
plus.
नहीं
Sorry.
वो मिडिल में.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
परिधि, वेरी गुड. चलो अभी से होमवर्क कर लिया आप लोगों ने. 2/9 minus परिधि, और your finger is coming in.
25, 26, 37.
1 मिनट दिखाना परिधि, थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो कॉपी को.
29, 30, 31.
परिधि, तो ये परिधि, दिस
Same
इज
thing, I will forget.
-2 -9. सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप देखिए परिधि अपना. -9 -2 -9 -2.
Minus. Sir, done.
बीच में
Okay,
-2
sir.
आएगा. ओके,
Sir,
नाउ इट इज
done the 13
-11.
ones.
Okay, chalo, I am showing you the 13th one. All of you, please, if you all can check here. I will do the 13th one.
Okay.
Sir.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Let me do the 13th one.
Sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, my 12 answer.
Okay, just wait, beta. Let me do the 13th one and then I will check. Okay. What should be added to
Sir, this is
-13/4 plus -3/8? इसमें क्या ऐड करना है? इसमें x ऐड करना है. So I hope you can write the statement in the beginning. क्या स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे? Let x should be added. वही लिखना है. स्टेटमेंट तो सेम होगा. Let x should be added. And then ये जो ब्रैकेट में जो लिखा है, इसमें you will add x to get, what will you get? To get 1. Okay. Now you solve the bracket first. उसके बाद आप आगे करेंगे. Solve the bracket. In the bracket, the LCM will be 8. Okay. So this is -26 plus -3 plus x equal to 1. So -26 plus into -3 plus into -3 is -3 upon 8 plus x equal to 1. -26 minus 3 is equal to -29 upon 8 plus x equal to 1. अब देखो -29 upon 8, some of you are doing mistake in this. -29 upon 8 को जब हम RHS में ले जाएंगे, it will become positive. You have to change the sign when you take a number to RHS. उसका sign change जरूर करना है. So 1 plus 29 upon 8. क्या लिखा मैंने? Plus, not minus. Okay. So this is x equal to, the LCM will be 8. 8 is the LCM. 8 plus 29. ये आपको आता है कैसे करा हमने? 8 divided by 1 डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करते हैं. 8 को डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करा 1 से, you get 8. Then you multiply with the numerator. 8 into 1 is 8. Plus आगे देखो, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 into 29 is 29. So what is the sum? 8 plus 29 is 37 upon 8. Answer. 37 upon 8 is the answer. Clear?
Sir, done.
Yes, sir, my answer is
Yes,
clear.
sir. My also.
Sir, my answer is same.
Very good.
So check.
Just a minute. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, question number. Vrinda, correct. Okay, question number 14. All of you. 14 करिए. Then your 15 and 16 will be your homework. Okay. 15, 16 homework में करेंगे. 14 I'm telling you 14th one. थोड़ा सा different है. क्या लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Added लिखा. Added की जगह क्या आ गया? Subtracted. Okay. So question 14, the statement will be let x should be subtracted. Just a minute.
I don't know what is happening with my Zoom, sir. It's all blank.
I think it is because of the network problem. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अभी सही हो जाएगा. Let x should be.
Sometimes it shows the pictures and sometimes sir, it is totally blank.
Totally blank. That is all because of network, बेटा. सब network की वजह से है. Okay. Are you all able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I join?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you can rejoin. If you are having some network problem, you can rejoin.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yes, Kibla.
Sir, why don't you open your camera?
Why don't
Yes,
you
sir.
open your camera?
So first time.
Sir, we
you
have
are
just
opening
seen
the
your
camera.
face in the reasoning class. So in the first
Yes.
reasoning class, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, you are
So-
opening your camera when before month. Also, sometimes you open.
So I actually
Sir,
I keep a
I'm
fast.
seeing you from the school.
I keep a fast. In that, according to that fast, I have to keep. I don't have to show my face to anyone. So Monday to Saturday I keep that fast. On Sunday I don't have that fast. So in that fast there is something very strict that I have to follow. I don't show my face to anyone. So that is the problem.
Sir,
Do you agree
sir,
with
to
this?
earlier,
Or do you think I am
in
No,
telling
but
a
I
lie?
think that you open in other classes, not in
Do
ours.
you believe I am telling the truth, or do you
Yes,
think that I am
sir.
telling a lie? Do you think that I am telling a lie?
Sir, maybe
No.
50%.
I never tell a lie. I always say the truth.
So my brother used to say that you open your camera in his class.
That
So once
is
I asked him, so he said to me.
that is only when they request a lot, and so
So,
when
sir,
he-
we
So
are
we have to
just
request.
requesting.
so chalo, tomorrow I will open my camera. Okay.
sir, 2-3 days earlier, by mistake, I joined earlier
Hit
before
me.
the class. I saw your face. You have opened your camera in that class.
Yes, sir. I was
Yes, sir. Kibla was telling me.
Yes, a white
Okay.
t-shirt and the background is beach.
Yes, sir, virtual background.
why you are sitting on the
That is
sofa.
that was not a virtual background. That was I was in Bali.
Sir, I didn't know what is
I'm
happening
living
with
in
me.
Bali right now. I am in Bali. So that Bali, actually I have bought a beach there in Bali. That is my own beach.
Sir, when
And
I am rotating.
So I can't believe. So actually, my brother was also telling me. I was saying that you are telling a lie. And yesterday I asked you, then I was
that is
thinking that it can't be
you
happened.
can ask Akshat. That is my own beach in Bali. So I am living there only because of Corona. I have gone to that beach.
Sir, you
But it
have
is
your
Nice.
own beach.
for sure.
Tomorrow I will show you tomorrow.
Sir, I am on moon.
Okay, sir. I also
I
want to
have
see
a
that.
So
I have a
I will come once to your